Alright guys, this is part 2 of Max 5 where this helicopter is fully charged and, well, let's go flying. So I'm going to take the RC helicopter, turn it on, and wait for the lights to stop. There we go. Turn on my transmitter, set it, and then pull up the antenna. Here we go. Gotta set it. There we go. Hope you guys liked it. You can see this thing has super stability. Now I'm just going to fly it around and put it back. Now that takes lots of skill, but this RC helicopter also does have backwards. You also have speed control. Now I'm flying backwards. As you can see, this RC helicopter does have gyro in it. But gyro is the thing that keeps it stable. So, yeah. Now, one more thing before I land it, I want to show you that we do have speed control in this. So let me get it up in the air. So, let me back it up. There we go. Ready? Tapping the throttle. There we go. I'll show you my speed control. I'm just going to tap the throttle. Now that's full throttle. Now here's like a little speed test. See, the speed's a lot different. So, yeah. That's the Interceptor outdoor/indoor RC helicopter. But yeah, that's the Interceptor RC helicopter from rcflyer.com.